In this video, we will talk about word problems or descriptive problems on linear equations in one variable. Hello friends, you are watching YouTube channel Number Collage. This channel features easy to understand concept videos on mathematics. The word problem is Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 upon 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? We will start our solution from the last question asked, which is what is the number? So let us assume the number that Amina thought of was x. Now she subtracts 5 upon 2 from it. So x minus 5 upon 2. She multiplies the result. The result is x minus 5 by 2, which she multiplies by 8. So we write multiplied by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number, which is equal to 3 times the same number that she had thought of, that is x. So it will be 3 multiplied by x. This is the linear equation in one variable wherein the variable x is on both sides of equal sign. We will open the bracket on the left hand side. So it will be 8 multiplied by x, 8x, 8 multiplied by minus 5 by 2. It will be plus 8 multiplied by minus 5 by 2, which equals the right hand side 3 multiplied by x, 3x. Now here 2 ones are 2 fours are. So we write 8x. 4 into minus 5 minus 20 equals 3x. We will send this 3x to the left hand side and this minus 20 to the right hand side. So it will be 8x minus 3x equals 20. So that will be 5x equals 20, or it will be x equals 20 by 5, that is 4. So the number that Amina thought of was 4. Next word problem is sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the two-digit number? Now, before we start solving this word problem, let us first understand how to represent a two-digit number in terms of the variables. Any two-digit number can be represented in the form 10x plus y, where y is the digit in the units place and x is the digit in the tens place. For example, in case of 35, 5 is the digit in the units place and 3 is the digit in the tens place. So in terms of 10x plus y, how can we write 35? We will write 10 multiplied by 3 plus 5, which will be 30 plus 5, that will be 35. Now we have understood that any two-digit number can be written in the form 10x plus y, where y is the digit in the units place and x is the digit in the tens place. Okay, we will start by assuming the two-digit number to be 10x plus y. It is given that the sum of digits is 9. So we write x plus y equals 9. That will be y equals 9 minus x. So the digits in the units place will be 9 minus x, and that in the tens place will be x. So the two-digit number 10x plus y will be 10x plus digit in the units place, which is 9 minus x. So it will be 10x minus x, 9x plus 9. So this will be the required two-digit number. According to next condition, when we interchange the digits. That means we will write 10x plus y as 10y plus x, which will be 10 multiplied by y, which is 9 minus x, plus x. It will be 10 into 9, 90, minus 10x plus x, which will be 90 minus 9x. So this is our two-digit number after interchanging the digits. Now it is given that the new number is greater than the original number by 27. That is, this new number 90 minus 9x is greater by 27 than the original number 9x plus 9. It will be 9x plus 9 plus 27, 36. Now we will move this minus 9x to the right hand side and this 36 to the left hand side. So we write this 9x plus this 9x equals this 90 minus this 36. So it will be 54. So we get 18x equals 54, which gives us x equals 54 by 18. 18 threes are 54. So x is 3. Now y, that is 9 minus x, will be 9 minus 3. Now the digit in the units place is 6 and the digit in the tens place is 3. So the original number 10x plus y will become 10 multiplied by 3 plus y, which is 6. So it will be 30 plus 6, that is 36. So 36 is the required two-digit number. Next word problem is Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be one third of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? We have to find the present ages of Shobo and his mother. Since mother's age is expressed in terms of Shobo's present age, we will start by assuming Shobo's present age be x years. Now it is given mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. So mother's present age will be 6x years. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be x plus 5 years. And it is given that Shobo's age 5 years from now is one third of his mother's present age. So we write x plus 5 equals 1 by 3 multiplied by mother's present age, which is 6x. So it will be 3 ones are 3 twos are, which will be 2x. Now we will send this x to the right hand side and write this 2x minus this x equals 5. That will be x equals 5. So Shobo's present age will be 5 years and mother's age will be 6 multiplied by x, which is 5, 30 years. So mother's age will be 30 years. Next word problem. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. We have to find their present ages. Aman's age is expressed in terms of his son's age. So we will start our solution by assuming son's present age to be x years, so that Aman's present age will be 3 times his son's age, that is 3x years. Next, 10 years ago, son's age was x minus 10 years and Aman's age was 3x minus 10 years. Now it has been given that Aman's age 10 years ago, that is 3x minus 10, was 5 times 5 multiplied by his son's age then, which is x minus 10. So it will be 5 multiplied by x minus 10. So this is the linear equation in one variable which we have to solve. So it will be 3x minus 10 equals 5x minus 50. Now we will send this 3x to the right and this 50 to the left. So we write 5x, which is this, minus 3x, which is this, equals 50, which is this, minus 10, which is this. So it will be 5x minus 3x, 2x equals 40. That will be x equals 40 by 2. That will be 20. So Sun's present age will be 20 years and Aman's present age will be 3 multiplied by 20, that is 60 years. Next word problem. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11 is to 4. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? The plot given is a narrow rectangular plot. The length and breadth of the plot are given to be in the ratio 11 is to x. So we will assume the length of this plot to be 11x and breadth to be 4x, where x is a common multiple. We have to find the dimensions of the plot. There is going to be fencing to this plot, and when it comes to fencing, we have to consider the perimeter P of the rectangular plot, which is 2 times length plus breadth, which in this case will be 2 times 11x plus 4x. So the perimeter of this rectangular plot is 11x plus 4x, that is 15x multiplied by 2, that will be 30x meter. The cost of the fencing is given to be rupees 75,000 at rupees 100 per meter. We know that cost of fencing will be equal to length of fencing multiplied by the rate per meter of the fencing. Now here the cost is given to be 75,000 rupees and the length of the fencing is equal to the perimeter, which is 30x multiplied by the rate is rupees 100 per meter. So we write this 30x equals this 75,000 divided by 100. These two zeros cancel. That will be 750. So the common multiple x will be 750 divided by 30. This 0 cancels. So 3 ones are, 3 twos are 6 and 3 fives are 15. So that is 25. So the common multiple x is 25. Now this length will be 11 multiplied by 25, which will be 275 meter, and this 4x will be 4 multiplied by 25, that is 100 meter. So the length of the plot will be 275 meter and its breadth 100 meter. Next word problem is Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniforms. Shirt material that costs him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that costs him rupees 90 per meter. For every 3 meters of shirt material, he buys 2 meters of trouser material. He sells the materials at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is rupees 36,600. How much trouser material did he buy? We have to find how much trouser material did he buy. Since 3 meters of shirt material is required, let us assume that Hassan buys 3x meters of shirt material. And since 2 meters trouser material is required for every trouser, so let us assume he buys 2x meters of trouser material. Now the cost of shirt material is rupees 50 per meter. So the cost of shirt material will be 3x multiplied by 50. That will be rupees 150x. So this is the cost price of shirt material. Now the cost of trouser material is rupees 90 per meter. So the cost price of trouser material will be 2x multiplied by 90. That will be rupees 180x. So this is the cost price of trouser material. He sells shirt material at 12% profit. So the selling price of shirt material will be 150x plus 12 by 100 multiplied by 150x. This zero cancels, so it will be 150x plus 12 multiplied by 15 is 180. 180 divided by 10 will be 18. So it will be 18x. So that will be 168x. So this is the selling price of shirt material. Now let us find the selling price of the trouser material. It will be 180x plus on trouser 10% profit is earned. So 10 by 100 multiplied by 180x. These two zeros cancel with these two zeros. So that will be 180x plus 18x, that will be 198x. So this is the selling price of trouser material. Total selling price of shirt material and trouser material will be total selling price equals 168x plus 198x, which equals the total sell, which is 36,600. So 36,600. Now 168x plus 198x is 366x, which is equal to 36,600. That gives us x equals 36,600 divided by 366. That will be 100. The value of x is 100. So therefore, the quantity of trouser material, which is 2x meter, will be 2 multiplied by 100, that is 200 meters. So Hassan bought 200 meters of trouser material. Friends, if you like this video, please click the like button. Share this video with your friends and classmates. Do subscribe this channel to get more videos of this type. See you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Number Collage. Thank you.